Got about 20 something cucumber plants growing upward on the string trellis. It's 7 feet tall. I gotta apologize right now, it's very windy, but we're gonna make this video fast. Every couple days I come in and I get harvest. Beautiful cucumbers growing here. These are the straight A, and we got some pickling, national pickling type there too. This cucumber is ready to harvest right now. How do we know that? Most cucumber you could harvest between 5 to 8 inches, and the top is dark green, and you see the bottom here with this lighter green coming up. It's perfect to harvest. Do not make it turn yellow. If it turns yellow, it will get bitter. The cucumber will full of more bigger seeds. And the other thing, the main thing, what I'm going to tell you right now, the biggest thing is slowing down your production. If you don't harvest on time or even early, your plant will slow down. The plant automatically go into a slow growing production. Oh, I didn't even see that. I don't like that on the ground. We're gonna go ahead and harvest that too. See, the white tip there was touching from the bottom. Listen, you could come and pick your cucumber early if you want. Do you see this one right here? See how it's getting that lighter green right there? We're gonna go ahead and harvest. When we harvest this now, if we have smaller cucumbers like right here, the plant will start using the energy to grow that. And every time you harvest, and let's say you have about over 10 leaves, take your pruner and prune out one of the bottom leaves. You see that right now? Got no lower leaves on the bottom. Prune your cucumber plant. Make sure no leaves is touching the ground. Less chance of bugs, less chance of plant disease. The other thing you gotta do, come between your leaves and your main stem. You're gonna find the sucker right here. Always pinch out about 1 to 2 feet lower. Leave the rest to grow so we could get more bigger production as the plant grow. But always remove the lower one, or else it will take away the energy from the plant. And you have to keep harvesting. Come every 2 days, 3 days, and you have to harvest. And what to do when you come down, stick to a water schedule. Cucumber like when you water them the same time every time. If you're gonna water them in the morning time, you do it every single morning whenever you water, every 2 days or 3 days. I water every 3 to 2 days. That's how I water. Fertilizer, you have to fertilize. I fertilize every 2 weeks right now. That's how I fertilize. So we got some pickling type here. Look, see how it's getting yellow at the bottom right there? We don't want to leave these guys. Sometimes they're smaller, but you don't have no choice. You still have to harvest them. And I'm serious. It slows down your plant production big time, man. And we're in New York here. We don't have that long time, and we want to have a lot of cucumbers, right? Best taste ever. So what to do is just come and harvest. So now we just harvest a bunch of cucumbers. If you harvest even 2 or 3 cucumbers, you got to think about it now. Now the plant is not using no more energy on these, not even to overripe them or slow down the production or wasting time. Now we could eat those and enjoy it, and the plant will be pushing more energy towards this, giving us a faster production, a faster harvest. I just simply harvesting on time, I'm telling you, it speeds up the growing process. And then with our suckers side shoots growing to the top, we're gonna get tons of cucumbers very fast. Repeat, harvest on time, prune out 1 or 2 lower leaves as the plant's growing, with water every 2 to 3 days, and add fertilizer every 2 weeks. Sprinkle coffee ground once a week. For squash bugs gonna be coming up, mix soap and water, spray behind you of your leaves. Do this in the evening time. There's no reason to spray on top of your leaves. The bugs come from the bottom, and they come from the main stem coming up. Next thing you could do, spray neem oil, but do it in the evening time. All right, in a simple quick video like this, I had to take the time to do it because it's important. It's important because it's slowing down a lot of people's production, people not remembering to harvest. I know if you have a small garden and you see 1 cucumber, you're excited, you're going to pick it right away, and that's good for you. It's a good thing. Harvest early, harvest on time. You know, don't let your plant overripe it, waste energy when it could start growing the smaller one faster, and we could get tons of harvest. As I'm always grateful for any kind of harvest, and I thank my plant for this beautiful harvest here. It's delicious, and we could get to share with our friends, family, and neighbors, and eat with ourselves. And I also give my pet Big Pepper. So thank you so much for everybody watching. Please don't forget to click the red subscribe button, followed by the bell icon. I'll see you guys next time.